we're going to show you how to replace a windshield wiper on your BMW 550i. These will be located on the windshield. Let's get started. Lift up on the wiper arm. It'll click back into place. There's two tabs on either side. We're going to push on these two tabs and push the wiper up. It'll move slightly out, unlocking. And we can twist the assembly down and pull it out. Be very careful of this arm. We don't want it snapping back down into place. It can crack your windshield. Have the new wiper nearby. Get it started in the front. Pull it back into place and clip it in. Give it a pull. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Gently return the arm to the windshield. Repeat the same process for the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.